Hey guys, all of us wish for a very clean and clear and bright skin every day, but how to achieve that kind of glow onto your face when you have so much pollution around you? Every other day we see there is a lot of dust and other impurities that kind of stick to your face whenever you move out. But the only solution that is left for you is to apply these three products from Oriflame. So you'll have to start with the rose water first. You have to sprinkle it over to your face, or you may use a cotton swab. Apply it evenly onto your face, including your neck. It smells very nice, and rose water does magic to your skin. And this one is from the Love Nature range of Oriflame, and this is made from wild rose. Then the next thing that you have to apply onto your face is the face toner from Love Nature range. Well, most of us don't know actually what kind of use the toner has. So a toner is basically used to clear the dust, the impurities from your face, to wipe them off, because it is all the more required in today's scenario wherein you have pollution everywhere. So you can again use a cotton swab, have some toner onto the swab, and then apply it evenly onto your face and your neck. This will remove the impurities, the everyday impurities, in order to have a very clean and even skin tone. And so this one is for hydrating. So toners come in different varieties. So this toner from Love Nature is for hydrating your skin. And last, you have to apply the face cream from the Essential Fairness range. So this face cream is SPF 10. This is for all these skin types. So you need to apply this to the last. You just need to have a very small volume of it. You don't need that big a volume. Just apply it evenly onto your face in order to have that glowing, that clear finish to your skin tone. That's up. If you like the video, do like it, comment, subscribe. Thank you.